Good morning, students. Today we have discussed the topic Newland's law of octaves. In previous lecture, we have discussed the topic Daubigny traits. In 1870s, Daubigny, the arrangement of element, their group of elements arrangement, the group of three elements, each having similar chemical properties, are called as Daubigny traits. And Daubigny, having their up to 30 elements, have their traits are obey. These elements are only 30 elements. The obey the rules of Daubigny. But after some days, some later, elements are discovered, and that rule, the Daubigny rules are not obeyed. Then after the discovery of elements and the study by the second scientist is the Newland's law of octaves. The Newland's law of octaves in 1866, Newland's arranged the known elements are increasing order of their atomic masses. It is the main property. Main property here, the in 1866 Newland's, the 56 elements are known, and that 56 elements known, the arrangement increasing order of their atomic masses. Then it started with lightest element. Lightest element means the starting in his their arrangement of elements, and starting with lightest element is hydrogen. Lightest element is hydrogen, and ended with thorium. Ending lightest element तो सुरुवात केली इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डरच्या आणि एंडेड केलं तो थोरियम न. त्यानंतर लॉ काय असणार आहे न्यूलँड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स. ही फाउंड दॅट त्यांना जे नॉन एलिमेंट्स फाउंड होते, ही फाउंड दॅट एव्हरी एट एलिमेंट, 8 नंबरचा जो एलिमेंट होता, एव्हरी 8 एलिमेंट हॅड अ सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर टू दॅट ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आर कॉल्ड ॲज Newland's law of octaves. Octaves means 8. The every 8th element had a similar chemical properties to that of first element, and this law is called as Newland's law of octaves. Means what is meant by Newland's law of octaves? Every 8th element had a similar chemical properties to that of first elements are called as Newland's law of octaves. For example, sodium. या चार्ट मध्ये जर बघितलं आपण सोडियम इथं जर बघितलं सोडियम आणि लिथियम यांच्यामध्ये जर बघितलं तर लिथियम फर्स्ट, बेरिलियम सेकंड, बोरॉन थर्ड, कार्बन फोर्थ, नायट्रोजन फिफ्थ, ऑक्सिजन सिक्स, फ्लोरीन सेवन and sodium is the 8. Means every 8 म्हणजे सोडियम हा जर बघितला had a similar chemical properties to that of lithium. Means sodium here number is 8 had their similar property A to first lithium had both are the similar chemical properties. Then another example, the fluorine, hydrogen 1, lithium 2, third, 4, 3, 6, 7, and fluorine is the 8th element. Hydrogen is the first element. Fluorine is similar chemical properties to that of first one. All these examples of the Newland's law of octaves. Means every 8 element had similar chemical properties to first one are called as Newland's law of octaves. And but 56 elements are known, and arrangement of their increasing order of their atomic masses. Element arrangement is increasing order of their atomic masses, and every 8th element has similar chemical properties are called as the Newland's law of octaves. But some limitations are there Newland's law of octaves. First limitation, Newland's law of octaves, and it is which are the limitation? First limitation, this law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Means this law only obey or found element up to only calcium. म्हणजे हा लॉ जो होता न्यूलँड्स हे फक्त ऍप्लिकेबल कोणापर्यंत होता? अप टू दी कॅल्शियम. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लिमिटेशन ऑफ दी Newland's law of octaves. Then second limitation, Newland's placed two elements and each in some boxes. इथं जर बघितलं तर दोन एलिमेंटच्या जे काय असणारे टू एलिमेंट्स आहे, पण हे सेम बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलेले आहे. बघा इथं पण दिसतंय आणि इथं पण दिसतंय. म्हणजे कोबाल्ट आणि निकेल हा जो एलिमेंट्स आहे हा इथं सेम बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलेला आहे. दोन एलिमेंट्सला एकाच बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलेले आहे. आणि इथं जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर हा कोबाल्ट अँड निकेल हा मेटल असणार आहे अँड नॉन मेटल हा जो असणारा जो काही असणारा जो टी आय आणि एन आय म्युझिकल नोट जसं आपण म्हणतो आपल्याला माहिती आहे म्युझिकल नोट हे जे काय ऑक्टेव्हज आहे हे ऑक्टेव्हज कशासारखं काम करते द सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ द एलिमेंट लाईक ॲज ऑक्टेव्हज इन म्युझिक आता म्युझिकल नोट आपल्याला माहिती आहे म्युझिक नोट कसं आहे सा रे ग म प ध नी आणि त्यालाच आपण इथं पण दिलेलं आहे म्युझिकल नोट डो रे मी फा सोल ला टी त्याच पद्धतीने एलिमेंटची इथं अरेंजमेंट केलेली आहे त्यामध्ये जर बघितला कोबाल्ट आणि निकेल ह्या प्लेस केलेले मेटल ह्या सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवतात नॉन मेटल टी बरोबर म्हणून त्यांचं असं म्हणणं आहे की जो काही असणारा कोबाल्ट आणि निकेल हा ॲज अ सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज टू the dough are similar chemical properties to Ti and hence they have their separate they are placed in separate means metal is exact similar properties to the Ti non-metal like as oxygen and sulfur ion so they are separate the cobalt nickel from non-metal म्हणजे हा जो मेटल होता हा पण इथं प्लेस केला पाहिजे होता परंतु त्याला कुठं प्लेस केलं तर सेपरेटली कोबाल्ट आणि निकेलला डो मध्ये टाकलं पण तो सिमिलर कोणाच्या प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवायच्या टी आयच्या means this is the second limitation of the Newlands then third limitation Newlands law of octaves are not fit for a newly discovered elements आणि जे काही element discovered झाले then after some discovery of elements that discovery of elements are not fit for a newly elements by the Newlands law of octaves. This is the third limitation of Newlands law of octaves. इथं आपण Newlands law of octaves complete केलेला आहे. Newlands मध्ये एकदम सिंपल काय लक्षात काय सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट काय थिंग्स समजून घ्यायच्या त्यामध्ये मेन पॉइंट्स how many elements are discovered Newlands 56 elements are known and their arrangement of 56 element increasing order of their atomic masses and every eighth element had similar chemical properties to the first one are called as Newlands law of octaves and like as the Newlands law of octaves like as the similarity of element is like as the musical octaves like as the musical notes and musical notes are there and their elements and some limitations are there their limitation first limitation the Newlands law of octaves only applicable for from up to the calcium and then second limitation is the some elements have their different properties but they are placed in same box and then third one limitation is the Newlands law of octaves are not fit for newly discovered elements then a Mendeleev's periodic law are discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.